Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So in the Euro Yen, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I still don't even believe this wave 3 is over. I think it's going to have to make a 3, 4, and 5 just to finish off what I think is a wave C, probably all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of what I believe is a wave A, projected out to the bottom of what I think is an ABC of B, right around the 165 area is where I expect this to end up. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I believe this is a 1, 2, and this is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3, which I still don't even think the wave 3 is over yet. I definitely don't see any break of start to the downside, telling me that this trend is over. So going down to the daily time frame, we pretty much have been making trends and corrections this whole way up, all part of a big wave 3 on the weekly and monthly. I do see a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here, so I do think that we are due for a correction, probably something like this, before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. But I do believe it will make a higher low, and just keep on trending up, all part of this big wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I actually think this first push down right here is an A. Even though this move up is very strong and it looks like a trend, I think it's a wave B. And I believe that we're going down now for most likely a wave C, which I still think is going to go down to one of these two fibs before it makes a break of structure to the upside and most likely continues the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So based on what we just saw in the higher time frames, I think we definitely could be looking for shorts right now. I think this right back here is a trend for the A. This move up is a trend also, but I think it's like a motive wave correction for the wave B. And I think we're in a wave 3 of wave C right now, which I think is going to go down at least to this 50% level, finish off a wave C before we get a break of structure to the upside and potentially continue the uptrend. So that tells me, especially if you trade on the 1 hour and under, that we could definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend right now until we get a break of structure at a fib level telling us this wave C is over and that we're back into the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.